Among thousands of traveling locations, we found KARA-SUU, the home of authentic Kyrgyzstan, represented through games, family traditions, historical architecture, and the most stunning natural landscapes. Kyrgyz friends are here, and today we are visiting Karasu village in Naren to uncover culture of Kyrgyzstan. Like in any other country, music is enjoyed in Kyrgyzstan. Today, standing inside the ruins of the 10th century fortress Koshoykoron, we have a singing performance from a local band. They call themselves Şair Apalar, which in translation means cheerful sisters. They sing songs that live through generations about different things such as life, hardship, and joy. The village itself is not very big, with just under 4,000 people living in it. The highlight of this area is that you can get real experience of nomads. Although the ancient culture of continuous move around has stopped with industrialization, some people are still practicing semi-nomadic lifestyle. Most of local men here are shepherds, and they move towards pastures for hot seasons. When it's free time, local men gather in order to compete in the kukburu game. It is a local basketball where each team has a goal to score the heavy objects they play with into the basket of the opponent. When some games rely on real physical power, there is another popular game called Altrix. And if you want to win this game, you'll have to be precise, use strategy, and play with the team. The mastery of that man over there is phenomenal. He took over the initiative and he took the game in his own hands. Single-handedly, he's winning all of us right now. And these are small Altrix. Those are like not the main ones, and his main goal is actually to get closer to this Khan, which is here in this small circle. At the time he puts this guy outside of the area, he wins the game. The village is also well known for Koshoykoron, the fortress that was built 10 centuries ago. At times of the Great Silk Road, it played a crucial role. First, it served as shelter for those nomadic traders who were passing by. Second, it was a protective castle for warriors whose mission was to stand against the attacks of all-time rivals. In order to get a full image of history, we can visit the museum standing next to it, inside of which we'll find objects and art that travel through centuries to our time. Karasu is an authentic village. It's a land where people cherish traditions. And if you want to taste more of Kyrgyz life, then we are inviting you to be a guest for a Kyrgyz wedding. From start to end, it is a wonderful story of how people celebrate new family.
The ceremony has started. If you look behind me, there is 4 horses or maybe 5 horses coming to this side. There is a young boy in front. There is a groom and the bride coming next, and there is their best mates coming next to them. And the young boy is coming first, and the reason he's coming first, he's coming here to share the good news. And it goes this way.
Egis koşuda elçi öskülü, toğun turacakşılıkka jetkile. Tergile, tergile.
İman rızk geçti, egis koşuda elçi. Jakşı yaşlardan.
Kanteli da otun bekleyen kaygırtıma maracağım
Alganın menen teң kara.
Aman bol dağayta görünce.
Beautiful nature, fascinating culture, awesome food and games made us love this place. This composition of Kara-SUU is to make your time in Kyrgyzstan unforgettable.